Hello students, today we are going to start the first chapter of the chemistry, that is the chemical reaction and equation. Okay, in this chapter we will cover these topics. Okay, the first one is that what is chemical reaction, the second one is the characteristics of chemical reaction, the third one is how to balance chemical reaction, and the fourth and the last topic which we will cover in this chapter is types of reaction. Okay, before going to this chapter, I want to suggest you students that please stick to the NCERT and NCERT exemplar. Okay, now we will start. We start with the chemical reaction. Okay, what is chemical reaction? Process in which new substances with new properties are formed. What do you mean by this sentence? That the process in which new substances with new properties are formed? In class 9, so many experiments we have done. Okay, I will take the one example of it. What we have done with the magnesium ribbon? We took the magnesium ribbon, we rubbed it with the sandpaper, we have ignited it, and a new substance is formed, a powder substance is formed, and that is the magnesium oxide. Remember or not? Magnesium oxide बना था ना? ठीक है. So what is this magnesium oxide? This magnesium oxide was the entirely new substance which is formed from the magnesium in the presence of the oxygen, and this magnesium oxide has entirely different property. Okay, now the chemical reaction has two parts. The first one is a reactant, the second one is the product. What is this reactant? The substances which takes part in chemical reaction is called reactant, and they are written on the left hand side of the equation. Okay, now what is product? The substances which are formed means in the magnesium ribbon one, magnesium oxide is formed. So magnesium oxide is the product. So what is the definition? Substances which are formed in the chemical reaction is called product. Okay, now the equation of that reaction is of magnesium 1 is that magnesium Mg plus oxygen, that is O2, that gives magnesium oxide. Now this magnesium oxide, which is entirely different, has the entire different properties from the magnesium, is formed, which is basic in nature. Now what does this basic in nature means? How you come to know that the magnesium oxide is basic in nature? If we put what red litmus to this magnesium oxide, it turns blue in color, which indicates that this magnesium oxide is basic in nature. Okay, so this is the chemical reaction, okay, in which two reactants are combined together to form a product. Okay, so this is what? This is a product, and these two are what? Reactant. Now this magnesium, what will happen? This magnesium will never turn back into the magnesium ribbon. ये magnesium oxide वापस से magnesium ribbon नहीं बन सकता है. That is the one more property of chemical reaction is that it is irreversible. ठीक है, रिवर्सिबल नहीं होता है, irreversible होता है. अच्छा, reversible reactions क्या होते हैं? Reversible reaction, for example, if we take the ice is converted into the liquid water. Okay, and if you freeze water again, the water again will become the ice. So that is what? That is a reversible reaction, and that type of reaction is known as the physical change. Okay. Okay, now we will come to the characteristic part of in the next video. I will take the characteristics of chemical reaction.